Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an Inloveartshop video for you all. They had sent me some products for free to try out, and I wanted to go ahead and show those with you, show them to you. And they also have a coupon code for my viewers, and that will be in the description box below. So I think it's 10% off or something like that. I'm not 100% sure what it is. So yeah, let's go ahead and get these out. Now I have not stamped or die cut them out yet. I figure I will do that whenever I do the project shares for them, so you guys can see those. The first thing I got is this little bow die. It is super tiny, as you can see. I mean, it's really small, but I thought it would be kind of neat to work with. I don't have a bow die, so I thought this would start me on my path of using bow dies. So I got that one. The next one I got is a Happy Halloween. And I'm going to take it out so that you can see it a little bit better. Okay, so here is the back of it so that you can see what it's supposed to be. And then that's the front. So it's got a little pumpkin here, you've got a spider here. So I just thought that was really cute. Let's see if I can get it back in the bag. Okay. The next thing I got is, I believe it's a banner, Halloween banner. Let me open that. Yeah, it says trick or treat on it. And then it's got little hanging spiders from it. I thought that was really cute. And then the next thing we have is a spider web nesting die set. You've got 6, right? Yeah, 6 of them in here. So I thought that was really cute. And I will have the links to all of these products in the description box below, as well as the link to their store and the coupon code. So the next thing is this. You've got the 2 cats on a fence, and you have the moon, and you have a witch flying in front of the moon. And then the last thing, which I really liked this one when I saw it. Let's see if I can open it. Well, that package is just going to stay ripped. So, you have the haunted house here. You've got a bat, and then you've got the Happy Halloween on it. So that would make a really cute card. So I will probably, that's probably what I will use this for my project share, is just to make the little house for the card front. So that'll be cute. So there you go. So that is all what I got from Inloveartshop this time. It wasn't a lot. But yeah, I'm hoping, okay, I'm hoping to get some projects going within the next week. As you all know, I've been having some issues with piping here, and we're just waiting on the insurance to call us back so that we can get everything finished. And I'm hoping that the driveway gets done before winter. So yeah, that's what we're waiting on. So I'm hoping to get some projects within the next week if I can move some stuff around so that I have room to do it. So yeah, like I said, I will have the links to all of these products in the description box below, as well as a coupon code for you guys. So go ahead and check them out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.